It will be Fayang Smith's first ever ABS-CBN ball this 2025, and she shared that what she is looking forward to the most is attending it with partner JM Ibarra. Yung maglakad kami ng sabay ni JM, kasi first ever red carpet namin, said Fayang in an exclusive interview with Push ABS-CBN. Another big reason that she is looking forward to the ball is that fact that she has never had a similar experience yet. Fayang revealed that this was actually her first time to attend a ball, having missed out on the whole prom experience in school. Never kasi akong nakaranas ng prom, Fayang admitted. Share ko lang, noong nag-graduate ng grade 10, wala akong prom. Actually, may prom pero kasi ang layo ko nun kung dadayuhin ko pa. Grade 12, walang prom kasi nagwo-work. Feeling ko prom ko to, she added. So was there a promposal from JM? Meron bang ganun? Asked Fayang, though she stressed that it wasn't something she expected. Okay lang kahit wala, kasi hindi naman nagmamatter yun. Okay na ako na alam namin sa isa't isa na partners kami. While it isn't her first time to get dolled up, Fayang is also looking forward to her outfit, which will be designed by Russell May Cordero. In fact, she went straight to her fitting in BGC after spending half the day on the road as she came from an event in Ilocos. Super excited talaga ako, and alam kong confident akong lalakad dahil kay MS Russell, Fayang said. A quick chat with Russell revealed that they're going for a fresh and young vibe for Fayang, so fans can anticipate a very elegant look without overpowering details. Clean, classic, and elegant, said Russell. Since it's her first ABS-CBN ball, we want something grand yet clean. She will be wearing an aquamarine gown, she further shared. Russell explained that the color choice was made to give a fresh and young vibe, taking into consideration the spring-themed event. I usually design corseted gowns, something that will accentuate the feminine body. I also love working with crystals and beadwork, so you can expect to see those in Fayang's final look. While Russell took the creative lead, she also factored in some direction from Fayang and her team. Something sexy but not too revealing because Fayang is still young. Sexy but classy, she said. Fayang is naturally beautiful and that's what we want to highlight. Ayoko ng malaking ball gown, ayoko ng super pasabog, said Fayang of her personal request. Gusto ko simple lang yung look ko, pero maganda. Gusto ko sparkly, simple lang yung design, pero kabog yung fabric.